Cobh in County Cork, Ireland, is the port stop where many people head out to Blarney Castle to kiss the Blarney Stone, or else head to Cork or Kinsale. As it was a grey, rainy day, we decided to spend our time in Cobh.
A short walk from the ship gets you to the Titanic Museum. Housed in the original White Star Line ticket office in Cobh, this museum offers an immersive experience telling the story of the Titanic and its passengers.
Each visitor receives a boarding card with the name of an actual passenger who boarded at Queenstown, and you can learn their fate at the end of the tour.
Cobh, formerly known as Queenstown, has a significant connection to the Titanic. On April 11, 1912, the RMS Titanic made its final stop at Queenstown before heading across the Atlantic on its ill-fated maiden voyage. At Queenstown, 123 passengers boarded the Titanic. Tragically, many of these passengers did not survive the sinking. Several passengers also disembarked at Queenstown, mainly those traveling from Southampton to Ireland. A good walk from the pier is the Titanic Memorial Garden. The garden features a glass memorial wall with the names of the 123 passengers who boarded the Titanic in Cobh.
You can certainly explore on your own, looking out for any significant markers and plaques.
The colorful houses, known as the Deck of Cards, are one of the town's most charming sights. Located on West View, a steep hill that overlooks Cobb's Harbour, these houses date back to the mid-19th century. Built in a terrace style, each house is slightly offset from its neighbour, creating a visual effect similar to a deck of cards fanning out. The best views are from the base of West View Hill, looking up at the row of houses with the cathedral in the background. The steep hill provides a good workout. Who doesn't need a splash of color against these grey skies?
Just a short walk away is the Neo-Gothic St. Colman's Cathedral. Its spire dominates the town skyline and offers breathtaking views of the harbour. On a sunny day, that is.
From the church, we walk to the Cobh Museum, passing the terrace of 13 Victorian houses built in 1850.
Just steps before getting to the museum, we discovered the Joseph Mary Plunkett Way. Of course, we had to take the Burma steps to discover they led to a higher level street with homes. After reaching the summit, it's back down to the Cobh Museum. Leaving from the ship, you can take the steps that lead up to the Scots Church, a former Presbyterian church, which is today the Cobh Museum. It tells the story of the town's maritime history, including immigration during the Great Famine and connections to the Titanic and Lusitania.
If time permits, you can take a short ferry ride to Spike Island, known as Ireland's Alcatraz. You can explore its historic fortress and enjoy the scenic views.
If you decide to head to Cork, the rail station is right at the pier.
Then back to the ship for a rainy sailaway. Oh, if only the sun had shone, it would have been spectacular with all the colors. It was still lovely, despite the weather.
Next up, 3 days at sea before we reach our first port stop in Iceland, Reykjavik. Be sure to subscribe to be notified.
Till then, thank you for giving this video a thumbs up, and we appreciate your comments. Bye for now.